Hey everyone, check out the KINCMAX Shower Shelves 2-pack, a sleek and durable storage solution for your bathroom. Made from premium rust-proof 304 stainless steel, these shelves resist corrosion and maintain their polished finish. Installation is simple. Just clean the surface, peel off the adhesive cover, stick the shelf, and hang it without drilling. Each shelf holds up to 20 pounds, perfect for organizing all your shower essentials even in busy households. The design includes quick draining features to keep your bathroom dry and free from water buildup. Plus, it comes with 4 movable hooks for hanging razors, sponges, or towels exactly where you need them. Upgrade your shower space with this stylish and functional organizer today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.